Island destinations with a difference. A lot of people visit islands for their holidays. Take a look at these two island destinations with a difference. Tashirojima Island, Japan. This small island off the east coast of Japan has only around 100 human residents, but thousands of stray cats. In fact, the island's nickname is Cat Island. In the 18th and 19th centuries, thousands of people lived there and raised silkworms to make silk for clothes. But mice were destroying these silkworm farms, so farmers brought in cats from the mainland to chase them away. When silk stopped being made there, most people left, but the cats remained, and their numbers exploded. Nowadays, the island's fishermen feed the cats so that their furry friends bring them good luck at sea. Socotra Island, Yemen. Unlike most islands, Socotra hasn't been connected to a continent for about 18 million years, so it's developed on its own. This means it has plants and animals that you can't find anywhere else on Earth. In the 1990s, a team of UN biologists discovered 825 plant species there, and 37% of them are only found on Socotra. Many of them look very strange. For example, the dragon's blood tree looks like an inside-out umbrella, and the bottle tree looks like a flower in a thick vase. It's hard to get to Socotra, and you have to start planning a long time before your trip, but everyone should try to see this fairy tale island. Would you like to visit these islands?